All right, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. T.C.B. the Country Boy, coming out of Dallas. Listen, somebody asked me to do "Everything's Gonna Be All Right" by Naughty by Nature, and so I thought I'd look up some of the information. This was off of that OPP album. I remember that OPP "You Know Me" song. I remember that a little bit. Is that what they're talking about? Other people's property or something like that? That was kind of cool. I remember that. I need to do that song. This was back in 1991. Hip-hop song off the Tommy Boy label. Everything's Gonna Be All Right. This is the actual name of the CD itself. But it was rated very high, man. 53 on the Hot 100. Number 12 on the R&B hip-hop for that year. And number 9 in Hot Singles. And it was number 8 in the Hot Dance Mix. So anyway, let's check this out. Naughty by Nature, Everything's Gonna Be All Right. Here we go.
Smooth it out. All right. This is a story about the drifter who waited for the worst cause the best lived cross town. Who never planned on having, so didn't. Why me, huh? And some get none, some catch a bad one, and some leave the job half done. I was one who never had and always mad, never knew my dad, motherfuck the fag. Well, anyway, I did pick up, flipped and clipped up, seemingly stick ups, cause niggas had to trigger hiccups. I couldn't get a job, nappy hair was not allowed. My mother couldn't afford us, all she had to throw me out. I walked the strip, which is a clip who wanna hit. They got 'em quick, I had to eat this money's good as spit. I threw in braids, I wasn't paid enough. I kept 'em long cause I couldn't afford a haircut. I got laughed at, I got chumped, I got dissed. I got upset, I got a check in a banana clip. Was down the throat, I led to any deal and tack can. I still have been broke, so a lot of coulda, woulda, did or done. If not for bad luck, I wouldn't have none. Why did I have to live a life for such a bad one? Why when I was a kid and played, I was a sad one, and always wanted to live like this a fat one. A ghetto bastard, born next to the projects, living in the slums with bombs, asking I watch it. Do I have to be like this? Mama said I'm priceless, so why am I worthless? Starving is just for being nice kid. Sometimes I wish I could afford a pistol then though. To stop the hell, I would've ended things a while ago. I ain't have jack, but a black hat and knapsack. War scars, stolen cars, and a blackjack. Drop that, and now you want me to rap and give? Say something positive, well positive ain't where I live. I live right around the corner from West Hell, 2 blocks from South shit, and once in a jail cell. The sun never shine on my side of the street, see? And only once or twice a week I would speak. I walked alone, my state of mind was home sweet home. I couldn't keep a girl, they wanted kids with crumbs of chrome. Some life, if you ain't where gold, your style was old. And you got more juice and dope for every bottle sold. Hell no, I say there's gotta be a better way. But hey, never gamble in a game that you can play. I'm flown and flown and going and on and not now. How will I do it? How will I make it? I won't, that's how. That's how. Why me, huh? My third year to adulthood, and still
That was very powerful. I don't know who that dude is that raps on this, but he's freaking good, man. Damn. Wow, sad story, man. And he's saying, like, man, if you ain't from the hood or whatever, the ghetto, don't come here. Trust me, bro. I don't want to go there. Damn. And he's like, why me? Why me, man? Why am I stuck in this place where I see God maybe twice a week, you know, and the sun don't shine on my street, and wow, it's not cool, man. But I tell you what, you just got to, man. You just got to pick up the bootstraps and tap them down, you know, and just keep on moving, man. Tie them strings and just go on and do what you got to do. You know, I would be the same way, you know. Wow. And what else you gonna sing about, man? Like you said, what I know is what I know. I can't be singing about happy stuff. Shit, I live on, you know, shit block from Hell Street, you know, or whatever. Something like that. How am I supposed to sing about something nice when all I see is something bad? So, I mean, that makes a lot of sense, and, you know, and I thought that myself, you know. Why are they always doing diss tracks? Or why are they always, you know, talking about how bad it is now? But, well, you know what? I realized something. Because that's all they know, man. That's all there is in the hood, man. Is protect yourself, protect your neck, and watch your back, and your friends will steal from you, and it's drug dealing, and somebody will kill you for 50 cents, and damn, it's crazy, man. God bless everybody living in the hood that's listening to this. God bless you. God bless you. I hope He shines on you and keeps you out of harm's way, and you can keep your head up and get through that bullshit, man. Damn. And I wish there was something I could do about it. I damn sure do. But anyway, man, these guys are good. NWA, that dude that's singing this, whoever the rapper's name, I don't know what his name is, but he's got fucking skills. He can rap. Really rap. So I like him a lot. Tell me who his name is. I don't know who that dude is, but he's freaking good. Anyway, I think I've seen his face before, so he's pretty famous. All right, y'all. I appreciate it. Keep your head down. All right, y'all. Bye.